Hey guys, welcome back. This is my last day in Rogers City, and I tried to get the rest of the family up on an early morning rock hound, but it wasn't happening. This is our last day at the Purple Martin Inn. It has changed owners since the last time we were here, and to the point that I have to remove the last video I did for them. It's definitely changed the feel of the place, and the information in it was no longer current. However, everything surrounding the inn is still current and still amazing. I got flat Lake Huron. It's perfect for kayaking, as you've seen or going to see. My son and I did some rock hounding from a kayak. He did some fishing. My kids went out fishing in the kayak last night. We got the bike trail through here. We got campground. We spent all day yesterday touring museums. There's 2 museums downtown. We went up to the 40-mile Point Lighthouse yesterday. The Purple Martins are here in July. They are a beautiful bird song, a great looking bird, and they remind me a lot of swallows because they eat a lot of bugs. So mosquito count is very low when they're here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get to the rock hounding. I'm already walking into the sunrise, and I've already seen a half dozen pieces of quartz just jumping out at me. So I gotta get to them, and let's go see what I can find. Oh yeah, the other advantage of having this clear water. Ooh, a little chillier this morning than it was last night, but nothing overwhelming. I mean, look at this. You can see every rock. You can see out there several feet. I'd call that nice. Not sure. Still can't identify every rock out here, but I try. A lot of limestone, obviously, and calcite here in Rogers City. I mean, we're a mile from the world's largest limestone quarry, so I mean, you're gonna find a lot of fossils and limestone and etc. out here. I might stick to the lakeshore though, up on the water. I want to find some quartzes, and as I'm walking in the sun, when I come back, I'll stay in the water. See, there's a quartz I never would have seen without the sun. The thing I like about these quartz is they're smooth enough, and they're tiny, but I can start them straight in the stage 2. They've already been beach polished. So they're not going to totally disappear in a tumbler, and they're going to come out fancy little ring pieces, or I'll just put them in my $1 bin and $1 per baggie bin for customers. And if they don't sell by the end of the season, then I'll turn them into jewelry. Got a lot of that stuff here. I want to say it's Cadifora, but I can't say for sure. Cadifora, Platyphora, I can't remember what it's called. Got the little worm-like fossil extensions in there. Hey! You rose and shone. Okay, I was wrong. My child is joining me. Figured when I shook you and you didn't move. Let's see what we got. Is it jasper or basalt? Yeah, basalt. Dang it. Good skipping stone, though. If I was a good skipper. I'll have to settle for being a captain. That sun makes these quartz just pop, don't they? Doesn't it? Look at that. Thought I'd walk into the sun. So last night, I was out here just walking in the sunlight and the sunset, and just a beautiful night. Had a nice lake that was calm. I had the water and the sunset, and just having a good old time. And I was pulling up fossils like crazy, even a couple pieces of chain coral, which this guy loves his fossils. Obvi. There you go. Anything you want to keep, you can shove down the hatch, of course.
Ready there?
Sure. That was anticlimactic.
You can think that I'm an expert skipper too.
Hey, chip off the old block.
This one will skip well.
Oh yeah, good one. Oh yeah, it's got some cool lines in it. Nice. Yep. I'd say limestone offhand, but
This is a rock.
no fossils. I know, it's kind of disappointing when you find a piece of limestone around here without a fossil in it. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oops, I missed.
Right. Yeah. Pretty good one.
I think my heart is 2 sizes too small with this. And it's a fossil.
And a fossil. Oh, there you go.
I didn't notice that. Where is it? Where'd it go? Where are they? I know they were here. It's a frowny face.
Yep.
I don't know what I did to make him so sad, but
Oh, Charlevoix.
that's how you say it. I was thinking Charlevoix or something.
Charlevoix, named
Really?
after the town.
Yeah.
You have the Petoskey stone, and then you have the Charlevoix stone, and I can't remember, they're both Patatonias or whatever, fossils. They're in the same family. I assumed you wanted to keep that one.
Yeah.
One thing that surprised me about this beach is when we come here in October, this beach is like packed with people. There's like people picking rocks 24/7, but we've seen hardly anyone the last few days.
That's weird.
Oh. Alright. Suppose we better start heading back. I'm gonna explore the water.
Into the unknown.
Oh. Oh, I think I see some sea glass. Big old chunk of it.
It's definitely sea glass.
It's not. Edges are still sharp. Throw it back in the tumbler.
Glass is good skipping.
Oh, sorry. Should have given it to you. It's another one of those again.
Cool.
Keeper?
I say so, but
Okay. They're kind of pretty when they're polished up, but
yeah.
oop, I think that's a big piece of quartz. Yep, that's a big piece of quartz. Some feldspar trapped in there.
one's a keeper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A piece of horn coral.
I got Charlevoix and horn coral on this one.
Yep. Keeping. I found a winner.
Whoa!
Good one.
You could say the same about these, but they're not good ones, they're great ones.
Alright, so after, we didn't have a whole lot of time, but we got a timed breakfast we got to get to, and yeah, I got to get the family packed up and ready to go, so.
It's really bright.
It's really bright. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.